Morning, first class children. Yes, welcome to the class. So, yesterday have you checked the hard words which I had sent in the message, isn't it? Okay, so how many students have completed? Okay, everyone had completed this hard words. You should do the practice regularly, okay? So, like how many hard words near about I gave 25 hard words or 27, I think so, right? Okay, just you go with the oral drilling practice and do the writing practice at home, okay? Use the rough book for the writing purpose. If you want write more than one or two times, no, use your rough book and do the practice. Spelling, you just spell the word. If the word, so many hard words I had given to you, right? Near 25 words you are saying that. But those hard words just only for to, not only for to note down in your class work, you have to go for the practice regularly, okay? Now get ready for today classes, fill in the blanks. Which lesson? Lesson number 12. Name of the lesson is water, okay? So are you all ready, children? Should I start the class now? So I am going to start the fill in the blanks. Now you don't copy down from the board. Just listen the class and repeat along with your teacher, okay? This is like oral drilling practice now, and later on I will send it in the, like yesterday how did I send hard words like that, I am going to send you the fill in the blanks too, okay? So are you all ready, children? Very good. Okay, fine. I am going to start the fill in the blanks. Now this is the heading. See, very soon you have to start doing the practice in cursive letters, writing in the cursive handwriting, children. Fill in the blanks. Okay, should I start now? First one, animals need water for, write very neat handwriting, children. But now we will go for the oral drilling. Animals need water. Animals need water. For what purpose? Need water for drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Underline. And we have another word, that is and bathing. And B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. Okay. Second one. Dirty waters can cause what? Dirty water what? It can cause diseases. Dirty water can cause, C-A-U-S-E, cause. Spell the word of diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S, diseases. Okay. Next one. We should drink always. We should drink. We should drink always clean water. Should drink always dash water clean. Spell the word of clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water, full stop. After completing each sentence, place the full stop mark. First letter has to be start by 4 capital letters, okay? After when you complete the sentence, you place the full stop, children. The next one. All living things need what? All living things, what do they need? Yesterday I told you, na, when I was explaining the lesson. All living things need water. All, not some living thing. All living things need water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Okay. The next one is plants need water to what? For what purpose? Is it for drinking purpose. Are they need for drinking purpose, children? No, teacher. Then what? Plants need water for what purpose? To grow. For to grow. Plants need water to grow. Okay, GROW, grow. Underline. We get water from river. Okay. We should not waste water. We should not waste water. WESTE, waste water. Okay. Now listen here. Come on, get ready, children, all of you. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Spell the word of animals. ANIMALS. Animals need water. NEED, need water. WATER, water. For, FOR, for drinking. DRINKING, drinking. AND, and bathing. BATHING, bathing. Say along with your teacher. Please concentrate when I was giving the oral drilling practice, children. Okay. Come on once again. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Second one. Dirty. Spell the word of dirty. DIRTY, dirty. Water. WATER, water. Can, CAN, cause, CAUSE, cause. Diseases, DISEASES, diseases. What is the meaning of diseases? అంటే దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? డిసీజెస్ అంటే జ్వరాలు కానీ, దగ్గు, జలుబు, ఇవన్నీ ఏదైనా రావడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది ఎప్పుడు మీరు సపోజ్ డర్టీ వాటర్ తాగితే. ఓకే, సో దట్ కెన్ కాజ్ వాట్? డిసీజెస్. ఓకే, సో we should spell the word of we. How to pronounce the word we? WEV, should. SHOULD, should. ఏమనాలి? షుల్డ్ అనకూడదు, షుడ్. SHOULD, spell the word should. What is the pronounce the word? Should. Drink. Spell the word of drink. DRINK, drink. Always. ALWAYS, always. Clean. CLEAN, clean. Water. WATER, water. We should drink always clean water. Which type of water will you drink? Clean water. Will you drink dirty water? No, teacher. We will drink always which water? Clean water. Okay. All. Spell the word of all. ALL, all. Living things. LIVING, living. Things. THINGS, things. Need. NEED, need. Water. WATER, water. all living things need water. Plants need water to grow. Plants. Plants need. Need. Need water. 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 GROW. Grow. Plants need water to grow. We get. WEV. How to pronounce? WEV. GET. Get. WATER. Water. FROM. From. River. 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 We get water from river. WEV. Again, should. 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 NOT. Not. Waste water. WASTE. Waste. WATER. Water. We should not waste water. Clear? So how many fill in the blanks we had completed? 7. Okay. Now the next one, water is very precious. Water is very precious, isn't it? If we will write this, spell the word and you should have to write like this way. Okay. So how teacher had taught you now oral telling practice, like that you should do the at home also. Okay. The same way you do the practice, children. The next one, water is precious. WATR. Water is dash precious. 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 Okay. So we had completed the 8 fill in the blanks. Okay. So water is precious. PRECIOUS. Okay, children. So this class is very clear for you all, isn't it? So like this you should have to do the same way, oral drilling practice and writing practice. Okay. But teacher will send all those blanks in the messages. You copied on very neatly in the classwork. Only one time classwork. Okay. And the rest of the time, if you want to write more than one time, do it in the rough book, children. Is it clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఒక్కసారి మాత్రమే రాయాలి క్లాస్ వర్క్లో, మిగతావన్నీ వాటి దాన్ని రఫ్ బుక్లో రాయండి మీరు. ఓకే. డూ ద ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇన్ ద రఫ్ బుక్, చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, చిల్డ్రన్. బీ సేఫ్ ఆల్.